Hey y'all, welcome back. I filmed this video a few days before Easter. I wanted to make sure I had the house clean before we left to family house, so that way when I got back I didn't have to worry about doing anything for the next week. So in this video y'all will see me cleaning, y'all will see what I did for the kids' Easter baskets, and then I'll also deep clean me and my 2-year-old daughter's sneakers. So y'all will see all of that, but right now I'm just showing y'all what I made for dinner one night.
Merry go round, round with ya. In and out, then up and down, down, down. It's getting old, going around, round with ya. Think I need some solid ground. Merry go.
Let's go. Let's go. If you're new here, I have a 4-year-old son and I have a 2-year-old daughter. And so this night I made fish for me and my husband. And since the kids don't like fish, I made them chicken fries. And then you'll see that we all had different sides on our plates. So another thing is too, I had a lot of cheese and shells on my plate. It was because me and my daughter were the only ones that was eating the cheese and shells. So I was trying not to waste it and put the rest on my plate, but I ended up wasting it anyway because I could not eat that much cheese and shells.
Over backwards for you. If there's a way to get you to change, I won't be around anymore anyway. Merry go round, round with ya. In and out, then up and down, down, down. It's getting old, going around, round with ya. Think I need some solid ground. Merry go.
Let's go. Let's not. Let's go. That's hot. Let's go. Let's not.
All I think about and all I know, you were made for me and I was made for you. Tell me how we stop this merry-go.
Alright, so these shelves are from Amazon. I wanted one of those over-the-toilet cabinet storage things so I could put towels and like extra tissue rolls in there. But the reviews were not good on Amazon and I didn't really want to risk it for $100. So I just ended up going with these shelves, which it worked out because I wanted something that I could put extra towels in. But my main thing was I wanted to take out this tissue roll stand out of the bathroom because our bathroom is small. So when I took the stand out, which I will see later on, it did make the bathroom feel more spacious. And so with the shelves, I was able to put the extra tissue rolls in the little cubby part. And the clock that was on this wall, we ended up taking the clock out and just putting it in the kitchen, which it looks better in the kitchen anyway. When the final result, you'll see the plant on the left needed to be fluffed out. I did fluff that plant out off camera, and then there were still little command strips that were still on the wall that I ended up taking off camera once I got the blow dryer to melt the adhesive. So I'm taking out the little stand, and like I said, it did make the bathroom feel more spacious, but I'm still trying to potty train my 2-year-old so that way the potty can come out and then it'll be even more space. Also, I did use the pink stuff spray for the first time in this video. It was at Ross for $6. It's probably cheaper or the same price at Walmart, but I just grabbed it because it was right there. And I do like it. I usually use the Dawn Power Wash or Dawn mixed with vinegar to clean the tub out, but I wanted to switch, something up just to make the cleaning fun for me. I took out the tissue roll stand, I needed something to hold the tissue roll that we were using. So I found this hook off of Amazon. It was like $8 or $9. I'll link it down below if y'all want one. I love it. It's cute, minimal, and it's functional. And I have been trying to declutter a lot and just have things feel more spacious. So my last video was a spring cleaning video where I did a lot of decluttering and organizing, if y'all want to check that out.
My phone, yeah. 3 o'clock in the morning. We've been going and going.
So another thing that I wanted to declutter were these dishes. I only kept the utensils and the mugs, and then everything else went in the trash. I always talk about how much I hate doing the dishes. It takes up a lot of time when I'm cleaning, and I just hate it. So I threw everything away. I replaced the dish rack with a collapsible. It's like a smaller collapsible dish rack off of Amazon. I'll link it down below. All of the remaining dishes that we have, it fits in this little small dish rack. And then once the dishes dry, I can put them up, and then I can just collapse the dish rack and put it up, and then now we have a lot more counter space and everything just looks less cluttered.
Don't tell me how you feel, so quiet laying next to me. The silence souvenir, letting you go, letting you go. Keep craving you the days that you don't want me, like searching for some heat inside a cold breeze. On and on forever, won't you hold me? Now won't you hold me? Oh, 'cause baby I try to tell lies. Now I could spell them out if I still tried. 'Cause I don't care as long as you're there, as long as you're there. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. We can do it all night. We can do it all night. Baby, won't you hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Guess we're pioneers, roaming in the atmosphere. I hate when you're not.
Filling up these containers with applesauce for the kids, and then y'all will see me put the rest of the eggs that we had into this little egg container that I got from Temu. So I'm vacuuming so I can get ready to mop, and I am back addicted to Pine Sol. I didn't show y'all me pouring the Pine Sol, but I love Pine Sol. Mr. Clean is good and it smells good, but that Pine Sol smell, it just lingers for a long time and it cleans really good. So I told y'all in my last video that I was going to take this stand off of the porch. So this is the story with the stand. So this is a TV stand, I'm pretty sure y'all can tell. And it was in my kids' room until they broke their TV. And then I told my husband to take the TV stand down into the basement. And he was like, let's put it on the porch. So I thought that I can do something with it. That's why I try to put the little baskets, but then I realized I didn't really have anything to fill the baskets with. So it was just empty baskets sitting there. I don't know. I just felt like it was just clutter on the porch. So I had him take the stand downstairs and I put the baskets up so I can use for whenever I need them. And now the porch just feels a lot more spacious. Even though Easter passed, I still wanted to show y'all what we did for the kids' Easter baskets. I had another clip where I showed y'all everything, but that clip would not transfer from my camera to my laptop. So y'all basically see it for the most part, but underneath the grass, the Easter grass, there was SpongeBob, Krabby Patty, Easter eggs. They both had a few under there, but we didn't do a lot. We just went to Five Below and got some cheap stuff. Mama really likes to color, so we got her a coloring book and some crayons. And then Jaden is into slime now, so we got him a little slime set. But yeah, they enjoy themselves. They love their baskets. I hope that you and your family enjoyed yourselves for Easter. But right now, I'm in the kids' room so I can straighten up. Like I said, I was just trying to clean before we left to family house. So I didn't do a lot. I just straightened up.
Thought that I'd be healing now. I didn't think I'd have to feel this now. I thought I would've moved on, but somehow the feeling's still strong. Like I'll be on my way.
The walls in the kids' room really need to be repainted. Like I said, Mama loves the colors, so I try to watch her as much as I can when it comes down to her with crowns, but she always ends up sneaking one and drawing on the walls. But yeah, and then you see her, she's cursing the water out. Not cursing, but she's cursing the water out because, well, let me tell y'all. So every time when I'm mopping, she always tries to go near the bucket of water, and I always tell her it's hot, like get away from the water. And one day when I was mopping, I turned my back and she put her finger in the water and she burnt herself. She didn't burn herself to the point where like there was a scar or her finger was really messed up, but it was hot. And so now every single time she sees a bucket of hot water, she goes cursing the bucket out.
We the children of light, and we will never let up, never giving up fight.
Here I go trying to wipe this board that got barely anything on there. I was really slacking in the month of March. But anyway, I'm wiping everything down in our room. This is the last room that I had to straighten up. Wiping everything down, gonna vacuum, and then I'm gonna mop. And then y'all will also see me in a minute try to fix up these cords underneath my desk. I hate how the way these cords look, but it was nothing that I could do at that moment but try to like roll them up and tuck them behind the desk.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me.
If you've been here for a while, you're probably wondering why am I saying husband now. So me and my husband, we did get married last month. In Philadelphia, at least, you can do a self-uniting marriage where you get the self-uniting marriage license and you don't have to do a whole ceremony and you don't have to have an officiant marry y'all. Y'all could just say y'all vows to each other and have 2 witnesses sign the license. Y'all bring it back and then you're legally married. So that's what we did. And you know, the whole process, it went fast and it was very easy, but I was also praying to God, like, if it's meant and this is for us, let everything go smoothly. And he did. He let everything just went smoothly, perfect. It was no problems. So I'm very grateful to God for answering my prayers and being able to call the father of my kids my husband now.
Give me a moment to be sincere. Feeling this way since top of the year. Lately we've been real unsure, unclear. Is it just me? Where do you go when you disappear? Tell me.
So I usually do not get any type of white sneakers for my kids. But when we was in Foot Locker, they was acting up so bad, y'all. And originally I picked out the black and white ones where it was mostly black Vans for her. And it was like, I guess only the front was white. Anyway, when I got to the front, they was like, well, we actually don't have her size in those, and we only have her size in the white ones. And like I said, since they was acting up so much, I just was like, all right, just give me the white ones, because I did not feel like trying to go look for more sneakers for her. So anyway, the Vans that I had them for years. So I'm just spraying them both with the OxyClean stain remover. I boiled some hot water and I put the hot water in a bucket, and then I'm doing 1/2 cup of borax, and I let both of the sneakers sit in the water overnight. On Easter morning, I put them in the washer with some OxyClean and some Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. Then I ended up having to dry them 3 times because the inside of the soles would not get dry. But y'all will see, I did have my Vans on right before we left out the house, and they look almost brand new. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I thank y'all so much for spending time with me. If y'all haven't already, please make sure y'all give this video a like, and I will see y'all in my next one.